around them for very short periods of time. This is Apollo formation. It's called Apollo because it looks like the Eagle landing spacecraft of the Apollo 11 lunar landing missions in 1969 when Neil Armstrong landed on fighter pilot. And girls, I'm sure he'd be happy to tell you he was a fighter pilot in the bar as he chatted you up. Right now though, he's rolling back to form Typhoon formation as Jace pulls them up in 4G as they climb in Typhoon. So now the aircraft are 1 kilometre high above us. The speed is just 250. Now they're at 400 miles an hour. Sit and roll.
Det er rigtig svært, og hele formationen skal dreje rundt i et hjul, så der skal laves forskellige manøvrer for alle.
As they pull up now at 4G in a loop. Over the top, they changed.
De lægger mærke til, at kameraerne er klar, og hvis de splitter op,